Welcome to Family Art Lab. Today we're going to look at the works by Yayoi Kusama. Kusama is a Japanese contemporary artist who works primarily in sculpture, installation, and painting. She has been acknowledged as one of the most important living artists to come out of Japan, the world's top-selling female artist, and the world's most successful living artist. Kusama was born and raised in Japan and studied at the Kyoto University for the Arts. She was inspired by American abstract impressionism and moved to New York City in 1958. She came into public attention when she organized a series of happenings in which she painted participants with brightly colored polka dots. Kusama has continued to create art in various museums around the world from the 1950s through 2020. Today we will look at her work of art, A Flower with Nets. I'm going to start my painting by using the blue right out of the bottle and painting the whole background. I'm going to let my blue paint dry, and in the meantime, I'm going to mix the purple that I'm going to use for the flower. So I'm going to start with white paint and add purple until I get the shade that I like. Next, I'm going to use a small brush and use my purple paint and make small little circles all around my blue background. This is going to be the purple outlines of the flowers. I'm going to try and follow the shape that Yayoi Kusama used, but you can make it whatever shape you like. Now that I have my purple shape done, I'm going to get a medium-sized brush and use green paint right out of the bottle to paint the inside of my flower green. Now that we have the green laid down, I'm going to go with my small brush again and black paint right out of the jar and start painting the black small circles on the inside. Once the inside of the flower is filled up with the black circles, I'm just going to wash my brushes and let my painting dry, and I'm all finished. Thank you for joining us at Family Art Lab, and we'll see you next time.